this video, we will learn about how to use templates in InstaWP. A template is just a snapshot or point-in-time backup of your WordPress site. You can use this template later to create a new site, or you can share the template with someone for them to create a new site based off of your template. First, let me show you how to create a template from a WordPress website. Before we do that, let's create a new WordPress site in InstaWP. Hit create site. Instantly, you get a new WordPress website. Click on access now. Within few seconds, you are redirected to your new WordPress admin panel. Let's create a new post. Let's close this, add a post, new post. This is a new post. That's it. Let's hit publish. Go back to the dashboard. Click on appearance, add a theme. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to customize our WordPress and save that as a template for you to later experiment with. Okay, so let's install the Hello Elementor theme. Hit activate. Go to the website. So our new WordPress website is ready with a new post and with a new theme. Let's go back to our dashboard. To save this website as a template, you can locate the website on the site list and click on Save as Template in the drop down. Give a meaningful name here. For example, in this case, I'm going to say template demo and hit save. So it says site template creation is in process. To see that, go to the templates tab. You will see the template is now ready. At this point, you can do two things with the template. First, you can create a new site with it, or you can share this with any user of your service, or if you want to showcase your work to someone. Let me show you both of these activities one by one. Go to actions, hit create site, give a site name, copy of template. Okay, let's see. So once you do that, within few seconds, it will start installing a new website based off your current template. Okay, so give it a few seconds. It should be really fast. Since it is being copied from your template, it takes a bit more than a new site. Now click on access now. I'm going to the new site now, which is copy of template, and you can see under appearances, Hello Elementor is already installed. Under post, the post is already created because it is a site from the backup or from the template. And if I hit on the front end, you will see the site exactly as you imagine. Now let's go back to our templates section. I will show you how to share this with your users so that they can create sites using your template. So click on share button. You can see a space to provide a slug to your template. You can actually rename it to anything. Let's say public template example. Click on mark as public. You will get a shareable link. Copy it and hit save. So now your template is ready to be shared with the world. I'm going to open an incognito window. Alright, so this is the landing page of your publicly shareable template. You will see the InstaWP logo, a title of your template, and a text, just a generic text. Your users can actually click on this checkbox and we will send them the login details to the new WordPress site they are about to create. So for this purpose of the demo, I'm going to uncheck it, launch your site, and as again, it will take a few seconds because it is being created from a template and it is not an instant WordPress site. So that's why it takes a little bit longer. So just give it a moment, and voila. So your new WordPress website is up. So the point to note here is this is created from a template which you have created in your account, and your users are able to actually enjoy it from their laptops, right? A point to remember, this site will be created under your account. So let's click on access now. Let's see if it is working properly. Visit site. Yep, so it works really well. And let me go back to the dashboard and let's see if this site is created from the template. So we actually created two different sites from the template. First, I created copy of template from the demo, right? And then a user of us, as an example, created another site from the demo. To summarize, templates are nothing but a snapshot or a backup of your WordPress site, which you can later use to create a new site or give it to your users for them to create a new site. Thank you. This is Vikas from InstaWP.